Welcome to an edition of what I call Wardy's Screencasts. This is going to give a quick 1 or 2 minute overview of Peergrade, which we will use to kind of do peer review online. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So you've already clicked the link, joined the class, hopefully. If not, just follow the directions in the syllabus and or the first remote online learning week's kind of introductory assignments where I'm going to have you log into Peergrade Ed Puzzle. Long story short. So you've already joined. So I'm going to log in. And I've created myself not only a professor account, but also a student account to show you how this is done. So I'm going to sign in with Google. I'm going to click the appropriate account. You would be using your Rowan Google account. And this is the student view. So I'm already in. If you have other classes, use this, join with the code, but College Comp 2, so I have one assignment here. All right. Testing 1, 2, 3, again, just testing. I want to show you how, and you can play with this too if you want to practice uploading just any random Google Doc, you can. I'm going to go to Submit. I'm going to go to Google Drive, because I'm going to submit my Google Doc. I need to open my Google Drive. I'm going to go to, I'm going to use my, well, keep it consistent. So my home Google Drive. I'm going to pick any random document. Apparently this is everything I've opened recently in any Google. All right, non-portfolio essay. This is just a rubric I use for Comp 1. So I'm just going to open this one up. It's uploading. There, it's uploaded. I have to hit submit or it's not saved. So I've hit submit, and there's my preview. Now all of a sudden I go back to the assignment, open this up. I have to go to review. So when you want to review people, you need to go to review. It's not open because the reviewing starts. I posted a date to start on March 31st. Long story short, you will be able to get in, kind of see who submitted it, review it. That's really all there is to it. So that's all you need to do. Submit your Google Doc. We'll do this for the proposal essay as well as our reflective statement. That's really all there is to it. On that note, sorry I said 1 to 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes and 48 seconds. I'm going to end this. Professor Wardy is out.